Welcome to Deepa's Knits and Knots. Let's make the adorable granny square today. Before we get into today's tutorial, if you enjoy beginner-friendly crochet videos and step-by-step tutorials like this, you can also explore our crochet kits on Amazon. Our kits include all the materials required to create a cute crochet project, including yarn, crochet hook, needle, stitch markers, glue, safety eyes, a reusable storage box, and a step-by-step video tutorial card. Our 2-in-1 animal pouch kits are just 299 Indian rupees. Our cat paw pouch kits are just 249 Indian rupees. Our flower pouch kits are just 241 Indian rupees. Our evil eye kits are just 149 Indian rupees. And our 12-color 6-ply yarn kit is just 275 Indian rupees. These gorgeous 3-in-1 tulip coasters are just 249 rupees. This cute tulip scrunchie kit is just 190 Indian rupees. Shop links are given in the description. Materials used to make this granny square are 4-ply blue yarn, 4-ply yellow yarn, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. For round 1, make a magic circle. Chain 1. And make 8 single crochets into the ring. Pull the magic circle tight and make a slip stitch at the top of the first stitch. For round 2, chain 2. Now we'll make a puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, and pull up a loop. Repeat this step 3 more times in the same stitch. You'll now have several loops on your hook. Pull through all the loops together to complete the puff stitch. And chain 2. In the next stitch, make another puff stitch by yarning over and pulling through 4 times just the same way as the previous one, and chain 2 again. Repeat this pattern of puff stitch and chain 2 in the remaining 6 stitches. At the end of the round, you'll have 8 puff stitches with chain 2 in between. Now, make a slip stitch at the top of the first stitch and make slip stitches until you reach the chain 2 gap and 1 in the gap as well. Now, cut the blue yarn and attach the yellow yarn as shown. For round 3, in the first chain 2 gap, chain 3, which is considered the first double crochet. And make 2 more double crochets. Chain 2. And 3 more double crochets in the same gap. This is considered the corner stitch. In the next chain 2 gap, make 3 double crochets. In the following chain 2 gap, make another corner stitch, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in the same gap. Then, in the next chain 2 gap, make 3 double crochets. Repeat this pattern of corner stitch in one gap and 3 double crochets in the next gap all the way around. Now make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet and make slip stitches until you reach the chain 2 gap and 1 in the gap as well. Cut the yellow yarn and attach the blue yarn. For round 3, in the first chain 2 gap, make 3 chains, which is considered the first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochet. Chain 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same gap. This forms the corner stitch. Now, in the next 2 chain 2 gaps, make 3 double crochets in each gap. In the following chain 2 gap, make another corner stitch, which is 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in the same gap. Again, make 3 double crochets in the next 2 chain 2 gaps. Repeat this pattern of corner stitch and 3 double crochets in the next 2 gaps 2 more times to complete the round. Make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. Chain 1. Cut and pull off the yarn. At the back of the granny square, hide the remaining yarn in the stitches and cut the excess yarn. And that's it. Your cute granny square is ready. You can use this granny square pattern to make tote bags, blankets, pouches, cardigans, cushion covers, and many more crochet projects. Don't forget to explore our kits on Amazon. Shop links are in the description. Support our channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing for more crochet tutorials.